Okay, so I am back with the Shuriken, the Origami Shuriken. This model is pretty easy to fold. You should not be troubled with it. This is a modular figure, which means you will need more than one sheet of paper. In this case, you will need 2 squares, so grab any 2 sheets of square paper, and if they have a white side like this one, then make sure to start with the white side on top so that the final result displays the color side. Okay, so the first step will be folding the paper in half like this. And your folds don't have to be precise for this model because it won't really affect the final result too much. So don't spend too much time on it. So this, and then fold the other edge to the middle crease as well. Close them up. It is nice to have a little gap in the middle because now we will fold it in half again, like this. If you fold them in such a way that they touch each other, you will find it harder to fold in half. So the next step will be folding the paper in half again and make a crease line on the middle part. And don't worry if you got unwanted creases here and there because you won't be seeing them when the model is done. So now what you want to do is take the left flap and fold it down like this and make sure that this edge lies on the middle crease when you're done, like this. And then take the right flap and fold it up like this. And again, it is nice to have a little bit of space on the middle. So when you do this, turn to the other side and grab these 2 corners and fold them down like this. Leave some space here because the next step will be folding them down like this, and if you don't leave tiny space, then the layers will start messing up. So do the same thing on the other corner. And make sure that when you fold them down like this, they don't lie on top of each other because that will cause you trouble. Okay, so we finished our first model and it is time to do the second one. Again, white side on top when you start. Fold the paper in half. Fold both of the edges to the middle line. And then redo the first line. Again, make a crease on the middle line. Now, until here we did the exact same folds as we did on our first model, but now we are going to do one thing different. So in the first one, we folded the left flap down and the right flap up. For this one, we will fold the left flap up and the right flap down. So let's do that. Make sure that they both lie on your middle crease. Turn to the other side and fold the corners down. And then to the middle. Again, make sure that they are not lying on top of each other. Now that both of our models are finished, it's time to assemble them. So you will notice when you both hold them like this, if you did this right, you should have two different models like this. So pick the model that looks like this one, and then pick the one that looks like this one, and place them like this so that they form kind of an X shape. Okay, now what you want to do is one more time fold these flaps down like this, but you have to fold them inside of these pockets right here. So let me show you how it's done. Basically just fold them down into this flap like so, and repeat the same thing on this one. Again, into the pocket, why are you causing me trouble? Okay, so the first model is done. Turn to the other side and fold these ones down, but when you fold them down, tuck them inside this line right here. So just like this, push it in. Same thing with this one. And you're done. That's how you fold the Shuriken. I hope that this tutorial was clear and easy to follow. And if you liked it, consider giving it a like, and if you want to be notified when new origami tutorials come out, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, one bonus, I recently just finished folding Satoshi Kamiya's Mammoth, as you can see here. Well, I'm not so proud of the result, but I think I managed it good. I was thinking on doing complex origami tutorials on this channel. I'm looking forward to doing it actually. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see things folded like this. And that was it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.